we're getting some breaking news with respect to India has summoned a diplomat of the Pakistani High Commission on the 13th anniversary of the 26/11 Mumbai attacks. And India has called on Pakistan, in fact, to also expedite the trial into the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack. And the Ministry of External Affairs, in fact, has claimed that India has called on the Pakistan for expedition of the trial into the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack as well. For more on this, I'm being joined by my colleague Shivani, who has been tracking this story very, very closely. Shivani, now India has summoned the diplomat of the Pakistan High Commission, and it is in fact the 13th anniversary of that cowardly attack that had taken place in Bombay on 26/11. What more are you picking up with respect to this summons and the expedition that has been demanded from India as well?
Priyanka, 13th anniversary of 26/11 attacks has come with India's commitment to bring the perpetrators to justice. We know that on 26/11/2008, 10 terrorists from Lashkar-e-Toiba, they came through the sea route and they attacked Mumbai. Mumbai was under siege for more than 30 hours. 166 people lost their lives and 18 of them were security personnel. So India has now India in fact has summoned today the High Commission of the Pakistan, a senior official from the High Commission of Pakistan, in fact, and it has already happened on Friday in New Delhi, where the Pakistan's official has been summoned, and he has been told that now it is time when Pakistan must cooperate in the investigation, where we know that so many people of 15 countries, India being one of them, lost their lives in this particular attack, and Pakistan has not been cooperating. It has not been handing over the required information in this particular case so that these people can get justice. There are so many families which are awaiting closure of this case. So 13 years have already passed by, but Pakistan is just not cooperating, and India's action and commitment has once again come, where it has summoned the High Commission from Pakistan.
Well, yes, Shivani, definitely a massive development with respect to India summoning a diplomat of the Pakistan High Commission. And also important that this is in fact the 13th anniversary of that ghastly yet cowardly attack that had taken place on 26/11. For the moment, Shivani, thank you.